Hi, let's check out this 2012 MV-1 vehicle. The vehicle is in great shape here. As you can see, we have 30 high-resolution photos online. The way that this ramp system works here is you can see this door opens, and then right here you have the ability to change from a short to a long ramp. So we're going to be in the long ramp position. We're going to make it come out. So that ramp will extend out further than in the shorter position. If you didn't have a lot of room, say you had a car next to you or something, you could do the shorter position. Then that'll come up here, and it has these nice tall side rails that lift up as well to keep your wheelchair from rolling off the edge. Then your wheelchair would come up here, and then you can either lock the wheelchair down in this mid-row position or this front row area. There's no seat there, so that way it's designed to have that passenger sit up front. Nice interior. It's got vinyl, a lot of rubber, durable plastics and things like that. This is designed for commercial use. So then to close the ramp back up, we're just going to press in, and you just keep pressing all the way until it stops. This is a taller vehicle here, but because that ramp comes out so far, your ramp angle is still under 12 degrees. So then once it's done, it'll beep at you, and then you can close it. So come on around to the rest of the vehicle here. This one actually had a trailer hitch installed. So you have a trailer hitch brake light pin there. Nice large trunk. You got a set of retractor straps there for your wheelchair to tie down. And then let's go check out the front. We have a door on this side that you can get into. And if you want to check out the dash here. MV1s come standard with a lot of this equipment here, and as you can see, it's in good shape.